This looks bad, man. This looks real bad.
Welcome to my channel. I love you very much. Please hit like and subscribe.
Luckily for us, this isn't the full chart. So the first tip from me to you guys today is always find the chart that has longest history. And this isn't it. There we go. And this is a lot better. Like here there is some hope. In the previous chart there was no hope, man. There was no hope. But here we can hope. We can do some technical analysis on this and see where it goes. So first thing first, we're gonna look at the moving averages. Right now it's hitting the 200 moving average and looks like kind of slowing down here on the 200. This is the 400 moving average, but right now it's still below the 10 moving average, the blue line, the yellow light blue line over here. So as long as it hasn't crossed the blue line, the light blue line and the red line, that's 20 moving average, we are not actually bullish, but it kind of looks like it's reaching some kind of bottom and there's more to look at. So let's move on and look at some trend lines. Now look at this wedge, man. Falling wedge. We got a falling wedge and it's gonna end at 21st or 20 October to 2020. That's like 2010-20. It's nice date for it to end, right? But I think it's gonna finish before then. It's gonna get out of this wedge. So what side is gonna go up? Up, down? We're not quite sure yet. We're gonna check it out, but let's add some moving averages with the trend line and see how it fits. Just at the end of the falling wedge, we are hitting the 200 moving average, and it looks like I believe, like, because it looks like it's hitting it and it's just continuing in the straight path, and I think we're gonna soon break out of it on one side or the other, but I'm looking like pretty bullish here. That's gonna break up on the upside and break the 10 and 20 moving average, and then we're gonna see what it's gonna do for them. But right now it looks like reaching some kind of bottom. Another thing with this chart and RSR is we just had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks of red candles, weekly red candles. Like statistically it has to get a green candle sooner or later, right? So the more red candles you get, statistically it doesn't have to. I mean, maybe this is that. I don't know quite the fundamentals of the RSR reserve, but statistically we have to get green candle sooner or later. And now, just to end all of this, look at the RSI. It's just bottoming out totally down. And the best part, look at the MACD. Look at the MACD. Let me zoom this in for you. We are getting the cross soon. I mean, in a day we're gonna get the cross here, and I think that's it. So if we get the cross and it gets out of the wedge on the upside on the 200 moving average, I think it looks really bullish, at least for me. So I think this is the end of the bleeding, and I think this is it. It's gonna go upwards. And now to finish it all, some long-term trend lines are all gathering around here. So something's gonna happen. Which way? I told you, like, I'm bullish. 6 weeks with the red candles. Statistically, we gotta get some green candles sooner or later. We are hitting 200 moving average, so you know. We're gonna see. That's it. Thanks. Cheers. Bye-bye.